rice. Veggies.
So the only thing that's healthy in this
is the veggies.
Is the vegetables.
I've been eating the veggies
so I want you
every
to know how
day.
she's eating this, and I'm the culprit. I made the sauce for her. It's not my fault.
It's for the family. As I ate cake. Eat the rest of my cake. I'm gonna have a banana. See? Healthy. And some more cashews that I've been eating all day.
Why are you still eating cashews?
I don't know why I'm so hungry.
We didn't eat, did we? No?
We ate a little bit of breakfast. I've been eating cashews all day.
Do you want your pasta now?
No.
Yeah, why don't you have it now on bread?
Okay. I'll have my pasta now. I'm gonna put cashews on it. Cashews and garlic. Yeah.
Okay. God, you're spoiled.
Just a little bit.
She's spoiled rotten.
I'm spoiled rotten.
She is.
I'm hungry.
She's spoiled rotten.
That was from all the swimming and all the frog
Oh, that's
cakes.
right. You ruined your frog cake.
Yeah.
So get ready for being the best you've ever had.
The best fettuccine alfredo.
Yep.
That's what he says about everything.
The most unhealthy you could possibly have.
Well, not much. I can't eat much. Just put a little. We'll share.
I'm not waiting.
Ooh, okay, that's perfect.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
You
that's
gotta-
too much.
Okay, now put your cashews on it.
Put my cashews.
Oh! What did you do? Did that on purpose, didn't
I
you?
did.
Okay, get your fork. Okay. Here's your receipt right after cake.
Okay, let's see. It's okay, I have it all on video. The world will know. Okay, here we go. Broccoli with fettuccine alfredo. Oops, linguine. Is that linguine? Yeah. Mmm. Oh boy.
I told you.
Mmm.
I never wanted to make it for you because I don't want you to be eating this. But
Oops.
do you like it?
I like it.
Is this some of the best you've had?
Mmm. Wow. Napkin.
I don't even know if
That's
we're-
all I needed
I don't even
was
know if
one
we're
bite.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we're out of napkins. It's okay. It's okay, I'm gonna dig into it some more. Nice job, Mitchell. Yay, you've ruined me.
Hey,
You want some fettuccine alfredo?
gotta try this.
Thank you. Oh, back to this. Mmm. Yummy.